So hello guys, welcome back. And guys, this video is going to be very important for you if you are using Windows 11, right? So guys, there is a good news for you. Like if you are using Nvidia graphics card, then there is a new graphics driver for Windows 11. You need to update that. Okay, so let me show you how you can update that Nvidia graphics drivers. Then open your Chrome browser, then type here Nvidia driver and just click on download drivers. So here you need to select your product type like GeForce or Nvidia RTX. Then I have GeForce, then I selected this one, and I have 30 series, just select this one, and I have 1660 Ti, just select this. And now here you will see Windows 11. Earlier you can't see this Windows 11, so recently they just give an update for latest driver for Windows 11. So here you can select your game ready driver or studio driver. Like if you are using video editor and all that, then you can use this studio driver. So let me just select this game ready driver, okay, and search for it. Now here you will see 472, and this is a version name and date, Windows 10 64-bit and Windows 11. Size is 72287 MB. And like if you don't want to manually do it, like you don't know about your graphics card, then what you can do, here you need to type Nvidia GeForce Experience. Click on this link, download GeForce Experience, and its latest version, just download it. But I'm just telling you how you can download. After downloading, you just need to open it and just click next, and nothing else here. Okay, so I already have installed Nvidia GeForce Experience, and here you can see GeForce Experience. So this is a simple tool which will give you automatic update of latest drivers. Just go into drivers, and now you can also see here some message like Microsoft Windows 11 game ready driver, download now. Okay, so just click on download, and version name you can see 47212, and here you will also see same version. You can also manually download it, and if you don't want to download this tool, but I prefer this because it will automatically detect and give you the best driver for your system. So what if you don't have updated graphic driver? So you will face some FPS issues or black screen issues, and if you are doing some editing and all that, then you will not see very good pictures in your screen. If you have updated graphics driver, then your system will work smoothly. Okay, and if you're a gamer, then definitely it is 100% recommended to update this graphics driver. Okay, so let it download. Okay, so now it's downloaded, and it is giving two options like custom install or express install. Just click on this express install. And now you can see installation complete, and that's it. Just close it, and now you have updated Nvidia graphics driver for your gaming. And if you are not a gamer, then you can choose here studio driver, and same process you need to follow for this. So okay guys, that's how you can update your Nvidia graphics driver to latest version. So okay guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, just hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.